This is a great day for us.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fun day. It's the day we get a package.
Where's it from?
This package is from La Compagnie Américaine de Fer du Boulevard, whatever. It's American Steel and Iron.
Mm-hmm.
From Montreal. Now, what are we getting that is from Montreal? Steel and Iron.
Make a lot of bad jokes.
What do you guys think it is?
Incorrect answers only.
Yep.
What is it?
Wow. Dude, these are legit. Oh.
Oh, I wanted that. I like it. Oh,
So
yeah.
Kenny Upel sent us a package for a t-shirt for Jen and I. I'm already repping the hat.
Oh, yeah.
So, what size is it? Extra large like we asked. So I got to wear my shirt.
Oh, you're getting
yeah.
naked, are you?
No, I'm just taking off just a work shirt. Just a work
That's
shirt.
it, Daddy. Take it off. Take it all off. Oh, yeah. There it is.
No. Take the hat off. Let's see how it fits. So, yeah, Kenny Upel was up north, what, a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah.
Doing a cool, they were going to all their rec yards, to showing people that they have many, many rec yards.
And unfortunately, they were 30 minutes ahead of us because we got home just as they hit Kirkland Lake.
Yeah, so we sent them out an invite. We're like, hey, I know it's a long drive from North Bay to where you're going, and we're like, if you guys want to stop in for coffees, washroom, or anything, you sure can. So
Find out they're in Kirkland Lake. We just missed them.
So we got the shirt. It looks navy blue, but it's black.
Oh, it's black.
That's awesome. And there's one for Jen as well.
Oh, yeah.
So next time we're going to rec yard, we're repping.
100%.
I don't want to dirty the shirt too much.
No, that one's mine.
Yeah.
I killed
Dude, we got lanyards.
I like it.
Those are awesome. Those are legit.
Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, yeah. There's a Kenny door in the background.
Yep.
All the Kenny parts on the floor. You know how it
Kenny parts
is.
in the background. We both have our own.
Oh, yeah.
So that's cool. So it goes with our hats. My hat's kind of dirty. It's like if I worn at Kenny's a couple of times. I think that's it. No stickers. Cool.
I like it.
Oh, the best part. We even got the paper clip.
Ooh.
Woohoo! So what's cool is that on Jen's car, what do you got in the back of your car, Jen?
I don't know anymore. Keep putting stuff in there and taking stuff out. Oh, yeah.
How long have we had that there for?
Oh, about a year.
Well, I think longer
I'm
than
sure
that.
if they go through some of my videos, they'll be able to find one where we put
Absolutely.
it on.
So huge thanks to Kenny Upel for the t-shirts,
Oh, yeah.
the lanyards. Let's go back to it so we can have like a quick show. Yeah, my hat's dirty. I'm kind of sad. My hat's all dirty. So the rec yard starter pack.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, that's awesome.
To go with, needs a trip to get some parts from the rec yard car.
But it's all about the hat. It's all about the lanyard.
Mm-hmm.
These are actually pretty nice. Have you touched yours yet? Touch yours. It's really nice.
Mm.
And the t-shirt material is really great.
I like that.
Who's the maker? I think it's the maker from the people. Yeah, it's Gildan.
Yeah.
So Gildan used to make Walmart hats, and Gildan just makes great hats in general. It's not the same people that make their hats. They don't say on these hats. But yeah.
It's good. I have my hat somewhere.
We do.
My
we both
Instagram
have.
profile picture is me wearing that hat.
Absolutely.
Which
with
I took
black
in a
shirt.
car at Kenny's. I think it was a Disco 2, which actually Kenny's started my love for the Disco 2.
Yep.
And I took a selfie while waiting for you to go get your tools.
What is a Disco 2?
Land Rover Discovery 2.
Absolutely. So, what do we think, folks?
Thank you, Kenny's.
A battery, steering wheel, a rim, spark plug, air cleaner.
And I think half those parts are floating around this basement somewhere.
Yeah, I like it. Muffler, transmission. I said that was spark plug. I don't know which one it is.
Is this gonna be your shopping list for your Honda?
Absolutely, motor, turbo, you know.
You're just gonna
engine
like check
cooler.
mark off the shirt as you go.
Yep, tires. They have everything. Wait, they have paint guns? I don't remember that.
I want a paint gun.
Yeah, I want to do that too. Yeah, that's cool. You know what? You know what I would have loved better? Nothing, because this is awesome.
I was gonna say.
If I were to make my own Kenny's shirt, I'd have the Kenny logo right here.
Mhm.
I'd have all this on the back, or I'd have just a giant this logo right here, right here.
Mhm. The one that's on you, right
Yeah. So
there.
the logo here, I'd have that right on the back. It says Kenny and then U-Pull, and then it say like North Bay or Rouen, Ottawa, Gatineau. You know, so like.
So you want like a fandom shirt with all the locations?
Absolutely, because we would have to go
all
everywhere.
all the tourist dates, you know.
Absolutely, that'd be awesome. I'd be down for that.
A Kenny's tour shirt.
Yeah, a Kenny's tour shirt. Maybe like make it like.
But it has to be on the
mechanic's
back
shirt.
for when you're bent over working on a car.
Yeah.
So that when you're bent over working on your car, whoever's walking by and go, "Oh, Kenny's, I get it."
Yeah. Because right now I'm afraid of wearing it at the wreck yard because I don't want to damage it.
Wear it backwards.
I could. So A&M, American, yeah. So yeah, I like it. Thank you very much, Kenny's.
Thank you, Kenny's.
Sponsor, no money, talk, you know.
No money talk.
Hey man, if they want to sponsor our
They got
channel,
you repping.
If they want to sponsor our channel and just save us our fees for entry, I'd be down for that. I'd still pay full price for everything.
I would too.
Absolutely, and I'd wear the shirts in all my videos.
That
and
extra $3, you know, if you go to like 3 or 4 different Kenny's.
Exactly. Well, don't forget, if you go in the morning, well, say if you go to Ottawa in the morning at Kenny U-Pull,
You
no
use that
longer
ticket.
Ottawa.
No, it's Greeley.
It's Greeley. So if you go to the Greeley one in Ottawa, you pay your $3. You can drive all the way down to Gatineau, and you don't have to pay the entry fee.
And Cornwall is only a couple hours away if you want to go to Cornwall too.
Exactly.
So you can take Cornwall, Ottawa, and Gatineau
Yep.
in one trip if you really wanted to.
Yep. For us, it would be Rouen, North Bay, and Sudbury. Or if we send the Ontario side, it's going to be Sudbury and North Bay because we'd be driving 64.
Unless we can get, you know, open up our own somewhere, maybe like Timmins.
Just saying. But yeah, these are awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
The lanyard, we didn't ask for the gear.
No. We just
Hey.
offer coffee.
Yeah,
By the
we
way, if Kenny's, if you're ever driving by on Highway 11 through Englehart,
coffee.
and barbecue in the garage if you're hungry.
Yeah, we have a big garage.
Oh yeah.
We'll do an oil change if you want to, you know, whatever. Okay, we're done. Kenny's, go there, bye.